Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MSI is not recognizing devices plugged into the USB-C port, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty port or internal connection problems. If left unresolved, it could lead to further complications or even damage to your device, so it's essential to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a precision screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, a pair of tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap. To begin the repair, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Start by gently prying open the back cover of your MSI using the plastic opening tool. Work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Once opened, locate the USB-C port on the motherboard. Check for any visible signs of damage or disconnection. If you see debris or dust, carefully clean it out with the tweezers. To remove the faulty port, unscrew any screws securing it in place using the precision screwdriver. Be sure to keep track of the screws, as they can be quite small. Gently pull the port away from the motherboard, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old port is removed, take your new USB-C port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Press down firmly but gently to ensure a good connection. Replace the screws to secure the port back into place, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, to avoid any damage. After that, reconnect any cables you may have detached during the process, making sure they are properly seated. Now, it's time to close up your device. Carefully align the back cover and press down until it clicks into place. To verify that everything is working, power on your MSI and test the USB-C port with a compatible device. If it recognizes the device successfully, you've completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, be mindful of how you connect and disconnect devices. Avoid using excessive force and ensure that no debris enters the port. Regularly checking for dust and cleaning the port can also help maintain its functionality. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.